Sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Visual, a breathtaking aerial shot of a rocky landscape with the camera slowly zooming in on a rock formation. Earth natural wonders never cease to amazing us, and one of the most fascinating formation can be found beneath the surface. Folding rock today, we're diving deep into what folding rocks are, how they form, and why they tell us so much about the history of our planet. Visual footage and various rock formation show causing layer of rock folder like a folding rock and refers to a geological phenomenon where layers of rock bend rather than breaking due to intense pressures beneath the earth surface. These folds form over millions of years, resulting in some of most intricate and visually stunning rock structure on earth. Animation showing folding occur when tectonic and forces push the earth crust, causing rock layer to bend. This happens at convergent plate boundaries where two tectonic plates collide. The immense pressure forces the layer of rock warp and fold, creating features like anticlines and synclines, which are upward and downward fold respectively. Stunning shot of the famous folding rock formation around the world, such as the Appalachian Mountains and the Himalayas. Some of the most iconic natural landmarks are the result folding rock, the Appalachian and mountain stretching across the eastern United States are prime example of ancient folded rocks, and similarly the Himalayas, one of the youngest mountain ranges on earth, or the towering peak to the folding of rock layer and caused by the collision of the Andean and Asian plates. Folding rocks are more than just a beautiful spectacle. They provide valuable insight into the history of Earth. Geological activities by studying this fold, and scientists and can be learn about past tectonic and movement, ancient climates, and even the origin of the mountain range. These rock formations also often contain fossilized remains offering a glimpse into Earth's past life. Not all of folds are the same. There are different types of the fold pass on the shape and structure. Simple fold appears as gentle arch, while opportune unfold tilt beyond the normal position. Complex fold, on the other hand, can be chaotic and irregular, and showing how intense pressure can deform the earth crust. Folding rock are found all around the world, particularly in regions where tectonic and plates and meet. Notable locations including the Appalachian and mountain in the US, the Alps in European, and the Andes in South America. Even in remote areas like Swiss Jura, you find standing folded rock formations that continue to inspire geologists and adventure alike. Folding rock formation are testament to the immense force shaping our plate. They remind you as the earth is constantly changing, revealing its past while creating new wonder for us to discover. So the next time you see mountain range or a rocky landscape, to take a moment to appreciate the powerful force that gave it its form. If you enjoy this exploration of folding rock, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content about Earth, natural wonder. See you in the next video. Let me know if you like any adjustment or additional detail. Thank you for watching.